This is a AWITHZ Kerpu portable or pocket spot welding machine, your compact and powerful solution for battery pack welding. Designed to weld up to 0.25 millimeters thick materials, this mini powerhouse is perfect for DIY battery repairs, small projects, and portable welding tasks. It comes with intelligent temperature control to protect the device and ensure safe, reliable operation every time. With 2.4 amps fast charging power bank support, it not only welds but also doubles as a portable power source. Small, efficient, and easy to carry, the Kerpu Pocket Spot welding machine gives you professional welding performance in the palm of your hand. This portable Kerpu spot welding machine has 11 adjustable gears. Each gear has its own firmness on the welding and the nickel strip. This testing was set on 6 gear. Let's see the welding. This testing was set on 9th gear. Let's see the welding. The 9th gear has a strong firmness on the strip, which made it strong enough to hold together. If you know any portable sport machine that is more efficient than this one we just reviewed, please drop it in the comments section as it will help others make choice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.